My recommendation for that is to create 2 shared drives for each client, one for internal, one for external. You may even have to create a third one, which is just for management or executives related to that client. In Shared Drive, when I'm working with staff for separate projects, each project something to be shared but not estimate. For that, separately another folder has to be created outside the DRGS folder to restrict them. Folder management for 10 projects. Interesting. Okay, I'm assuming here that some project documents are for internal or restricted use and some project documents are for external use. My recommendation for that is to create 2 shared drives for each client, one for internal, one for external. You may even have to create a third one, which is just for management or executives related to that client. Now, is it a bit more annoying? Yes. But what that does do is it makes it really simple for your staff. They know that if it's something that's internal only, it goes in the internal folder for that client. If it's external, it means this is going to be exposed to the customer. So that's a simple system. There's no real theoretical limit on shared drives. If there is, it is in the thousands or tens of thousands. So don't worry about creating too many shared drives for Google to handle unless you have 10,000 employees. But this is a good opportunity for you to learn the settings of Google shared drives and configure them correctly. Now, if you want to learn about that, we've got some pretty great videos on the channel specifically around shared drives. So if you head to the channel and you search for shared drives, you'll see we've got a number of different guides here on how to set up all of your group-based permissions, how to apply them to your shared drives, and what my best practices are for configuring the settings of shared drives. So go ahead, check those out on the channel. They're all very, very useful.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.